Hey, what's up guys, this is IK from imktechnicalhub, and today in this video we will be doing unboxing of Nike AD Comfort slip-on shoes. And these shoes I purchased by AGO, and also friend, this is my first Nike purchase from AGO. So let's do the unboxing and see the shoes. So let's get started. So friends, you can see when you also purchase Nike AD Comfort shoes from AGO, so you will receive a packaging like this from AGO. So let's cut the package. So friend, before I show you all side of the box, I will show you the invoicing. So you can see I have purchased this at a price of 2747 as I have got 45% discount from AGO. So the best price link for this is also in video description. I will show you the box from all side, and box is also very light as these are very light shoes. So you can see there is a Nike branding here, and here are some informations which you can see. So this is Nike AD Comfort, and size is UK 8, and also friend, you can see here it is written it is made in Vietnam, and you can see this is engineered for all day everyday comfort. So these are Nike inventions you can use for daily wear, and it will give you a lot of comfort. And these are slip-on shoes, so it does not require to tie up your lace, you can see. And also friend, on the back side you will see some informations here. So here are written, you can see name and address of the importer, which is Nike India Private Limited. And for consumer complaint you can also contact these contact details which are written here. And you can see the common name is footwear shoe, and the month and year of import is July 2021. And you can also see manufactured by Can Sports Vietnam Corporation Limited, and you can see address of the manufacturing company. And also you can see size is 27 centimeter, 8 number is 27 centimeter, and 9 number UK is 28 centimeter. And you can see some informations are also written here which you can read as well. So I will show you. And also you can see this box is made from over 90% recycled material, which is very good to save the environment, you can see. So this is the all side of the box, so let's open it. So friends, you can see these are the shoes. So let's take it out, and inside you can see there is nothing, so I will keep the package aside. So friends, you can see these are the Nike AD Comfort shoes. So this is soft but very strong material. So friends, if you see very carefully, so these are taller from this side and shorter from back side of the shoes. So, and this is a textile fabric from Nike, and you can see here it is a elastic band here, so for your fitting. And also you can see friend, there is a Nike branding here, and this is breathable fabric. So if you wear daily wear, then all the sweat and everything will goes away from this fabric. And this is not a synthetic material, so this is a fabric. And here is a Nike branding here as well, and you can see Nike is also written this side. And from inside you can see there is a Nike logo here. So if you check here, DJ 099905, and also in these shoes you can see DJ 099905. So these are matching, and also you should check your shoes should match both the codes, so that you can also check the authenticity of this Nike slip-on shoes. So you can see the look of the shoes here. Overall friends, it's a very good quality shoes. There is only one branding here, Nike, and not from this side, same here as well. Also, if I show you the sole of the shoes, you can see here there is a written just do it, and Nike branding as well here, established since 1972. And overall friends, I will definitely say the sole is of very good quality. It is very strong and also very soft, so when you wear your shoes, so it will also give you so much comfort as well. So these shoes are also available in very different color. I will provide you the link for this in video description, so you can also check it out. And also friend, you can see there is foam inside here as well. In everywhere there is foam. So that's why Nike says that it is all day comfort shoes. And here I have already told you this is a fabric, and also this is very soft and breathable fabric from Nike. And also you can see the stitching is also of very good quality. You will not find any kind of defect in the stitching as you can see in other products. So overall it's a very good quality shoes, and I will wear you and show you. So friends, you can see now I have wear the shoes, and you can check how does it looks when you wear it. So overall I would say fitting is also very good, and these shoes are very comfortable to wear as well. So if you wear it for a long duration in a day, then it will definitely provide you comfort to your foot. So friends, I hope this video of unboxing of Nike AD Comfort slip-on shoes is useful for you. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe imktechnicalhub channel so that we can give you these kind of videos. So thanks for watching. Jai Hind, and I will see you in the next video.